Okay guys, in this video tutorial we will learn that how we can make a pie chart, or you can say that a pie graph within the matlab. For it, first of all, we need to write a matrix. That is, you can write any random matrix like 1, 4, 12 and 9. Now we have 4 elements in this matrix K. In the next line, we need to write pi of k. So what it will do, pi of k is a built-in function and it will just arrange these elements or their percentages within the pie chart. Like wait, we will first run it and you can see that it shows us the corresponding percentages, that if k is equal to 1, so 1 is contributing 4% of the total, 4 is contributing 15%, 12 is contributing 46, and 9 is contributing 35%. But how MATLAB calculates it out? First of all, you need to add all these elements, like 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, and 14 plus 12 is 26. So we need to write 1 divided by 26 multiplied with 100, and it just gives us 3.84. So it is 3.84. So it is nearly equal to 4%. Then for second element, we will divide 4 by 26 multiplied with 100, and it is 15.3. So it is 15%. What about 12? 12 divided by 26 multiplied with 100. It is 46.15. So here it is 46. And same as for the 9, or which corresponds to the 35%. So one more thing in this is that you can label all the 4 quantities or elements, like you can do like comma, and you can place 2 double brackets, then 8 inverted comma, then this we will write like you can write orange, like apple, like peach, and like pear. Okay, now when we will run it, we will see that they are mentioned with their corresponding names. That is, apple is like 35 or like that. So actually it is the size of the what's called as the it is the size of the slice which shows us the percentage, like orange is just 15 and apple is I think 30 or like that. So in this way you can make your pie chart to show your data graphically. Hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for watching.